Yeah, don't let the snorkel go under. We gotta turn it around in the water.
And this side ain't hurting, baby. It's just that middle part.
Bro, bars, don't do it.
Oh my god. I'm gonna pull forward that way and then reverse. Alright, there's a hood. Here. He working that bitch, no, he working it. Oh!
Snorkel might go in there, buddy.
Oh.
Alright. How we do this?
We good.
We need to turn it back the other way.
Yeah.
Oh, this can't be real. Straight to the YouTube.
Straight to the May that be forward now. Oh, if I put it.
Oh shit, we're on something. Hold on. About to put it. Deep right.
Oh! Oh.
Alright, let's see it.
I'm gonna dive off this hill right here. She coming down.
Oh shit, hold
Yeah,
on.
get on the side. Oh shit.
Alright, where are we going?
Go down the side. I'm getting down here.
Where you want me to go?
Oh shit.
I'm on the way.
Boy, it's bad.
I'm on the way. You in neutral.
Hey, here, you record. My hands are like so dirty. Brody's gonna be sick as fuck.
Huh?
I said, you're gonna be sick as fuck.
Oh my god. Oh.
Might be stuck.
Nigga down, nigga down.
Oh, it's deep, boy.
Hey, we're coming back.
Hey, look at this.
Brody. Hey, look at your Brody.
Oh, it's on. Oh, oh, you're on top of the tree.
We good? Bro. Hold on, I gotta connect the wires back. Just in case it cuts off.
Bro, look at my shoes.
Yeah, I got both shoes on right now.
Where's your shoes go?
They're on. Bro, just pitch it down.
That's a trooper right there. Bro, look how deep it is now. Hey, you got a big ass log like this one.
Bro?
Yeah, like right here on the side.
Alright, never mind.
Bro, how is this thing still running?
I don't know, bro.
There is a log here.
Yeah, I think there are three.
I think.
Gotta be a tree. Oh, there goes the tree. Bro.
Of course it comes. Full sin. Oh.
He flips over. He's gonna come back. He ain't making it.